Hey everyone, here's a short video of my adventure on the Illinois Salt Creek Trail in the western suburbs of Chicago. I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Out on the Salt Creek Trail here in western suburbs of Chicago. And my boy Tomas in the background on the trail with me for this ride. So, see how far I go on this one. Some interesting nature preserves and forests, and there's some other suburbs, so stay tuned. So there's bridges and rivers. This here is the Des Plaines River. And there's an old rail yard that comes up there. So you run adjacent to some of the main streets. We're by Ogden Avenue right now, so just gotta kind of be careful as you're coming through some of these areas. Yeah. So, all right, we got set back a little bit, but we're back on the trail. It's kind of hard navigating some of these areas, but moving onward. Beautiful tree line, you know, with the creeks from the river. So stay tuned. There's little lakes and ponds and picnics, facilities. So little stop off points. They're pretty cool. T, what's your bike's name? I feel bad. No, it's no name, but there's Morgan. Pretty cool. People fishing. So it was cool. I came across some festivals and little gatherings. So come across some residential. What's that?
I guess that's it.
Yeah. Keep it going. All right, got a little tricky for us. It seems like the trail breaks up a little bit. So you're gonna go through streets, you're gonna go through little neighborhoods. We're currently in Lyons, Illinois, which is kind of a hybrid of wooded areas and residential areas. But we found our way, so we're gonna keep going as far as we can. So if you're on the Salt Creek Trail, just kind of pay attention, stay as close to the river. You want to be as close to the water, you should be fine. So you come across this pretty cool bridge. They try to make it, yeah. Alright, came across this interesting object. Pretty cool. So, good trail, not one of the better ones because they hit a lot of major streets, some construction zones, so it's not as continuous and comfortable as you may be accustomed to, so take note. Headed back on the bridge. It's a good ride. Very segmented, but still, nevertheless, a good adventure. Alright, we're coming up to the end of the trip. It was a good one, but not the greatest. So, once again, so long, and I'll see you next time. Say goodbye, T. This is Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross.